Greetings from TaiyangNews. I am Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. We are here at SNEC 2024, the largest solar expo. We are right now at the booth of DMEGC, and they are going to explain one of the most important products they are promoting here at the show.
Okay, thank you. This is Caleb. I'm the product manager of DMEGC Solar. Today I will introduce our very new product. We call it G12RT solar module. The power we can achieve 635. We use a big size wafer and the light reflection film on the rear side to replace grid glass. So the high reliability, high efficiency. And we call this product is our green product. It means high reliability green product. It's our product strategy. Next month we will send the information for TaiyangNews. Then we can update the efficiency level, I think. Okay, thank you.
So when the product will be available commercially?
Now we have sent the module to the European market, but the power now is 620. In the end of the year, we can send the 635 watt to the market in the end of this year, maybe Q4. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.